Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you all are kicking and alive at your places. So, in today's session, we are again with few more sight words. And I hope कि आपने प्रीवियस की वीडियोस के साइट वर्ड्स को समझा भी होगा और उन्हें लर्न भी किया होगा. So, let's start with first group of sight words which we use in kindergarten. Be, but, do, have, he, she, they, was, what, within. ये साइट वर्ड्स हम किंडरगार्टन में यूज़ करते हैं. Let's see another group of sight words that we generally use in first grade, or you should know if you are in first grade. After, again, could, from, had, her, his, of, then, when. Remember, could is could, not could. Now let's see second grade sight words that you should know if you are in second grade. Around, because, been, before, does, don't, goes, right, which. So, these are the sight words that we use in different grades. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.